DIS has been going now for over 35 years. We're a solutions provider in the IT industry, so that can range from network infrastructure, enterprise wireless networks, and also cloud and data services. And we also branch into security, such as network video, network and cloud-based access control, and all of these services we fully support in-house. We have a large range of customers in different sectors here at DIS. All come with their own unique challenges. We have a lot of customers in the food production sector, which, as you can imagine, comes with a lot of challenges, getting in there, working at specific times, working around strict hygiene rules. And then we have a lot of customers in the warehouse automation distribution sector, and this is an ever-changing sector, as you can imagine, with online retail.
We partnered with other ISPs and service providers. Some of the challenges we've previously encountered are getting the lines installed, so delays in circuit installations, additional costs or sort of hidden costs that we weren't aware of. Also the communication with the provider, being able to actually talk to the person we need to speak to, and that's the account manager or the engineers. Had a few issues with them, so we fortunately met with Node4.
When we first started talking to Node4, it became evident very quickly that they're a company that we'd like to deal with. Very similar to us, they have the personal touch. Overall, the company seems to work on the same ethics that we do here at DIS. We take a lot of solutions from Node4, a lot of what they offer. A large proportion is the data services such as MPLS circuits, direct internet circuits and SD-WAN. But we also provide a lot of our customers with the N4 cloud solution, being able to migrate from traditional on-prem server solutions to the cloud infrastructure that Node4 provide.
A specific customer we have in mind is Drive Debliss. We've currently just rolled out a 20-site MPLS network, providing a high-speed, resilient infrastructure for them, over which we provide managed firewall services to the internet breakout centrally, and also hosted services for approximately 12 servers at the moment. And this is currently growing and looking to move into Europe shortly. Impact-wise, working with Node4, it's made life much simpler because we can turn solutions around much quicker for the end user.
So the main benefits for us is the ease. We've got one point of contact. We can speak to our account manager, let them know what our end customer wants, and then we can work with the customer, with Node4 and with DIS to provide that solution and work with the end customer in their journey. Since DIS have started working with Node4, our sales on the cloud and data side of our business has shot through the roof. We were up for the SDC award, which was brilliant. Fantastic to be recognised in the industry for the work that we've done in collaboration with Node4. This is to no end of the fact that we can provide a far more end-to-end solution. We can provide that solution easier for our customers, and also with the support of Node4 when we're going in to see our customers, they have the faith that with our partnership we can deliver the solution they need.